Hi, my name is Qasim Shabazi. I'm the professor of biological engineering. I'm also the director of biological engineering program at North Carolina A&T State University. Solar energy and sun is the mother of all sustainabilities and all energies. Students are excited to see these renewable technologies in our building because initially when they come to biological engineering, that's what we tell them that we do. We do a lot of sustainability projects. I teach a renewable energy course, so students learn all about solar energy, passive, active, thermal, PV, and having this system on our rooftop makes it so much easier for the students to go visit and then collect the data and analyze it. So it's really good educational tool. Because most students, they learn by doing things, they learn by visiting technology, and this is a technology that they can look at it, they can visit, they can measure, they can get all the data for it, so they like it very much. And some high school students are also interested in it. This is the only solar power system on our campus, and it's nice that it's in our building, so I appreciate it very much. I will ask students to look at the data, collect the data from the beginning of the installation. They will be able to really determine the amount of the kilowatt hours of energy generated, and they will be able to do technical performance, efficiency, and also economic performance of the system. So it'll be a great learning opportunity for the students. I believe that the young generation are looking for more sustainable technologies on their schools, their home, and their businesses. Therefore, they're going to be demanding from their administrators to install more solar energy systems on their schools.